cars are now an integral part of our lives. Now, cars are changing to protect people and the environment. POSCO is developing various solutions to prepare for the era of electric vehicles. Hyper-NO improve the motor efficiency, and self-bonding minimize noise and vibration. We produce battery materials from lithium, cathode, anode, to case and pack cover. To develop electric vehicles of better performance and higher efficiency, POSCO provides an integrated solution. Furthermore, we provide easy, fast, and convenient EV charging infrastructure. EV Material Solution with POSCO.